You funny monkey. You enjoying that, are you? You enjoying that? Come here, let me wipe your face again. You're getting water everywhere. You should be putting it in your mouth. Oh dear. Is that Mummy? Can you hear Mummy? That's better. Put it in your mouth. Come here, let me wipe your face. On the wall. It is, Mummy. Come back from the gym. Come and check this out. It's quite funny.